Welcome to all. This session mainly I'm going to teach you some of the shortcut keys we already explained, but this is the fresh up of shortcut keys. Why shortcut keys are important? When you are working on a firm or company, these shortcut keys are very easily you can work on that. So I'm on this layer. If you want to duplicate this layer, Control J. Okay, now this layer is duplicate. What I'm going to do, I'm doing a blending mode, multiply or darken. So you can see what is the effect you got it. Again, I am reducing the size, opacity. You can also check other blending modes also. Okay, this is soft light, hard light. I think this is better. Then I am selecting these two layers. Now this two layer is collected. So I'm using Control E. So then the next control is the shortcut. You can merge two layers. Now, if you want to increase the canvas size, Command, Option, or Alt I, then Alt, then C. C for cat. So now I want to increase some space on the top. You can see, click here. Now you see the space is going up. I am putting here 5500 pixels. So you get the image. I'm just putting one more layer. I'm going to up this layer. Background, I'm putting some green color, not green color. I'm selecting others almost same color using the color picker. Then I am selecting this layer, Alt Delete. No, okay. So you can able to type one text. You can say forest, but it is on that color. Now I'm putting here. If you want to merge again, click all these layers together, then Control E. Then everything is merged together as a single layer. There is no multiple layers. Okay, another one is I can show you Control Option I. Sorry, this is not I. Control Alt C. If you want to increase the space on the left side. So here is 3456. I can put it as 3700 pixels. So the extra pixels will come here. If you want four sides, what do you need to control? Command Option C or Control Alt Z. C for cat. Then click on the center. It will distribute it. I want all sides. I am saying 3700. Again, Control Alt C. I'm putting here, I'm showing 5500, I am putting 5700. So you will get extra space, and you can add the one more layer you can add. Then I change the order, then I am putting Alt Delete. So you can add the color on that. Now I am Control plus plus, it is increasing, then you can click and drag and you can use. So Control 0, it fit on screen. Control F again. Then you can see the visual, how it is look like. Okay, this is more useful in another image. Suppose you are working on this design. What to do? I'm just putting F again. So now you can see the design. So you can Control plus plus, you can zoom it minus minus. If you want to very detail your design, you can go Control plus plus. Then you can space bar, space bar, then you can move. So if you reach here, if you want to do editing again, you can put Control FF. Everything is come, you can start using FF again. Then again Control minus minus. You want to space bar, you can move. So I want to look closely, look this area, again control plus plus. So now you got it how to work on full screens, and you can amazing results. So I explained the tool control J, control G. So group I am not explaining, I already explained that. Control Alt C. Then I told control, that is for canvassing this. Then control plus plus, control minus minus, space bar, then drag the image, then full screen. So don't forget these commands. You can easily work on a company, and you can immediately you can showcase to the clients or other people how you are working on that. They will amaze your speeds when you are working on these tools. Okay, thank you for watching. Use this shortcut. I'm not putting the shortcuts again. You write down these shortcuts and use it every time when you are working on a project.